Guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys an amazing review on this beautiful hair. And if you like wig tutorials or if you like to look at wig reviews before purchasing, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you soon. Today I am reviewing Sensationnel's half up, half down unit, and this is so cute. I'm feeling this. It has 4 hairstyles. I only decided to do the one. There are plenty of reviews out there, but I finally got my hands on this unit, and I got it in the color T2 Copper. So I am feeling this. It's so cute. And honestly, thank you, Sensationnel, for even thinking of this idea. It is nice to know that these companies are thinking about us and trying to come with innovative ways for us to do our hair. So I think that the next series in this collection should probably be something along like natural hair. I think that would be dope. But I am feeling this color and I'm ready to go on vacation. I'm tired of being in quarantine. And I'm ready to be on an island sipping a mimosa and, you know, yes. I wore this outfit in Thailand for literally a couple hours. So if you have not checked out that vlog, make sure you check out my vlog to Thailand. Actually, let me show you guys my outfit. This is how bad I'm ready to go on vacation, you guys. I've actually would have been in Texas this week visiting my brother and sister-in-law, but you know, let's just say I still thank God that I'm okay every day. Amen. Usually in my videos, I talk about if it's big head friendly, if it's ear to ear, you know, I can't do that. But let's see, there is minor shedding. So there is minor shedding. It's honestly not a lot. As far as tangling goes, not yet. I just took it out the package, but I'm sure with the length and the fact that it's synthetic hair, it's not meant to last long, and it's long hair, you guys. So it's definitely not meant to last long, but I wouldn't suggest wearing this unit every day, just, you know, once a week if possible, or for special occasions. But I'm going to give you guys a 360 because I am feeling this. Yes, I'm feeling this. I did do my own hair off camera. So in the back, I had braided it down. At the top, I am natural, so I did blow dry it, flat iron it, just my roots, and I used my edge control, and I laid a scarf on it just so it could, you know, stay in place. And yes, that was super easy. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments below and let me know what you guys think. What are your thoughts on this super cute unit? And I hope you guys are staying safe and taking this seriously and staying in the house. I will see you guys next time.